Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, we're going to have continued unsettled conditions throughout the next couple of days. Quiet conditions out there right now, but as you feel outside this morning, very humid conditions will set the stage for some more afternoon and afternoon showers and possible thunderstorm activity as we go into the day today. Looking at conditions across the region yesterday, we see temperatures generally running from the 70s to the 80s for daytime highs. We were at 76 degrees for our daytime high here at Wallops. We saw an abundance of cloudiness here during the day at Wallops, but we did miss out on many of those showers and thunderstorms throughout the region. We saw just a trace over the last 24 hours. As you can see from the other reporting stations throughout the region, not everybody missed out on the rain like we did. Salisbury coming in with 0.12 of an inch, Baltimore picking up over an inch and a half of total precipitation over the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 70s. We were at 75 degrees under cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at our information from this morning's balloon release, the freezing level was at 12,700 feet, and our winds at the 1,000-foot level were out of the west-southwest direction at 19 knots, and generally keep that southwesterly component all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see a wind at 30 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary still remains just off to our north. That front will remain fairly stationary throughout the day today, but we will see it slowly begin to sag toward the south as we go into the afternoon and into the evening hours. We'll also see an area of low pressure develop and move across the region later this afternoon and into the evening that will bring some good chances for some showers and thunderstorms to our region during that time frame. That front will start, as I said, to move a little farther to the south as we go through the evening hours tonight. That'll bring our winds more out of an easterly direction, and will also limit our instability as we go into the overnight hours. So although we will see the continued chances for rain shower activity overnight tonight, looks like our best chance for thunderstorms will actually be in the afternoon and into the evening, with just plain rain during the overnight hours after midnight tonight, with just a slight chance of a few embedded thunderstorms after midnight. Looking at our infrared satellite, you can see plenty of cloudiness streaming throughout the region this morning, and continue to see cloudy skies off to the southwest. So really not expecting much break in those clouds as we go through the day today. Could see a little bit of sunshine peeking through from time to time, but overall we'll see mostly cloudy to overcast conditions throughout the next 24 hours. So taking a look at our short range high resolution model here over the next 12 hours or so, as we go into the afternoon hour, things really start to light up on radar, on this future radar product. Looking at the showers becoming more likely as we go past 1 or 2 o'clock this afternoon, and then as we go into the late afternoon and into the evening, those showers still around the Delmarva Peninsula should pick up in intensity as we go into the late evening and overnight hours. Again, looking at our best chances for thunderstorms to occur during the late afternoon and into the evening, with those chances for thunderstorms beginning to dissipate as we go after midnight tonight. So this is paused here at the midnight time frame. You can see some of the heavier shower activity working its way into the region at that point. And as we go into the overnight hours, about 2 a.m., those showers still persistent throughout the region here during the overnight hours. So looking at our forecast maps, what we can expect over the next couple of days, again this evening that frontal boundary should be pretty much draped right over top of us, and then during the overnight hours we'll see it kind of linger right across the Delmarva Peninsula. Again, we could see those winds turn easterly by overnight tonight. I think this frontal boundary may be a little too far north where it's painted on this forecast map. Could be a little bit farther to our south, giving us an easterly flow and a little bit cooler conditions as we go into the morning hours of Friday. That front will eventually move back to the north as we go into the later portions of Friday, and into Saturday we'll see showers and thunderstorms likely once again during the Friday time period, and then again on Saturday we'll see a little bit lower chances for precipitation, but we will see afternoon showers and thunderstorms possible once again during the day on Saturday. Looks like as we anticipate our Antares launch, the beginning of the count looks like should see just a very slight chance of a few showers lingering during that time frame, but as we go through the count and as we approach the window, those showers will move off the coast and we'll be left with dry conditions as we go into the launch window early Sunday morning. We will see some other factors possibly providing us with a sketchy situation for launch Sunday morning with low cloud ceilings expected, but it does look like precipitation should not be one of those issues as we go into the Sunday morning time frame. So looking at the next 24 hours, we'll see those precipitation chances increasing as we go throughout the afternoon and evening hours today. There's chances maxing out during the evening, and as we go closer to midnight, we'll see a pretty likely scenario of some showers. Those thunderstorm chances again look to be the highest during the late afternoon and into the evening hours, looking at about a 20% chance between 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock this afternoon, a 40% chance between 3 p.m. and 8 p.m. And then as we go throughout the evening hours, those chances will start to decrease as we get closer to midnight, down to about 20% chance for lightning to be embedded with some of those showers between the hours of 10 o'clock and midnight. And then during the overnight period, we'll see the chances dropping to about 15% for some of those showers to contain thunderstorms. Looking at the early morning forecast, we're looking at a slight chance of a few light rain showers lingering into Friday, but most of your heavier rain activity should be confined to the Thursday evening and to the early Friday morning forecast. Looking at the next couple of days as we go into Friday and Saturday, we'll see additional chances for showers and thunderstorms. Again, just a chance of a few showers during the Friday morning time frame. Those showers becoming more likely in the afternoon on Friday. Possibility of some embedded thunderstorms as well during the afternoon. And then as we go into the evening hours, those thunderstorm chances will continue. Again, better chance before midnight for any kind of thunderstorm activity. Just a very slight chance of thunderstorms after midnight Friday night. And then as we go into Saturday, precipitation chances should be a little lower on Saturday than what we will see the next couple of days. Just a slight chance of a few showers during the morning, and then a slight chance of a shower or possible thunderstorm during the afternoon and into the early evening hours on Saturday. So looking at the next 7 days and what we can expect, again, unsettled weather continuing through the end of the week and into the first part of the weekend, with those likely chances for showers and thunderstorms overnight tonight into Friday and then into Saturday as well. A high of 77 degrees expected for Saturday, and then even warmer temperatures expected for Sunday with a high of 83. Looks like Sunday morning's forecast should be dry for us here at Wallops, and then as we go into the afternoon and evening hours, we'll see the potential for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms to develop once again on Sunday during the looks like the mid to late afternoon hours before we need to worry about any kind of activity on Sunday. And as we go into Monday, those showers and thunderstorms will be possible once again during the afternoon and evening. Monday morning looks like a pretty nice setup for us. If we did have trouble launching Sunday morning for Antares, we would see a little bit better conditions expected on Monday as far as the chances for rain and for the cloudiness that we are expecting Monday morning. Looks to be a better setup for us for Antares. And then as we go into Tuesday, Wednesday time period, once again we'll see the chances for thunderstorms on Tuesday. This time looking at a better chance during the overnight hours Monday into Tuesday morning, with drying conditions by late in the day on Tuesday. And then as we go into Wednesday, we may finally break this unsettled pattern and start to see some high pressure build into the region, with mostly sunny skies expected by the mid to later portion of next week. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. for your latest in Wallops weather. Have a nice day.